This tutorial video will cover the following steps. 1. Preparation. 2. Power on. 3. Set temp and pre-press. 4. Design placement. 5. Heat pressing. 6. Heal and done. Step 1. Preparation. In the box, you'll find the user manual, the machine itself and an insulated safety base. In addition, you'll also need to prepare your preferred substrate, a PTFE sheet, heat-resistant tape, your design, and scissors. Step 2. Power on. Now, power on the machine and the indicator lights green. Step 3. Set temp and pre-press. Switch the knob to choose from heat levels 1, 2, or 3. According to the quick reference chart, it is recommended to pre-press substrates, level 1, to smooth out any wrinkles before placing and transferring the design. In this video, I will switch to level 2 medium since I will be working with a DTF design. Once set, the indicator light turns red and the heat plate starts preheating. Step 4. Design placement. Secure the prepared design onto the substrate using heat-resistant tape. Then cover the design with a PTFE sheet. Step 5. Heat pressing. Once it reaches the set temperature, the indicator light turns green. You can now start heat pressing. Apply continuous pressure until the design has fully transferred, and remember to place your machine back on its insulated safety base after usage to prevent unexpected burns. Step 6. Peel and done. Wait for the tote bag to cool down. Peel off the transfer film and enjoy your beautiful creation. After use, please switch the knob to off and allow the machine to cool completely before checking or storing it to avoid burns.